welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create Telegram AI assistant bot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create a Telegram AI assistant bot, first of all you need to create a bot using Telegram's bot father. So you can simply go and tap on the bot father option. So once you tap on it, you can simply launch your bot father in your Telegram. So you need to simply use this platform to build a chatbot in your Telegram. So you can simply get an API token from this and use a no-code AI chatbot builder platform to connect the Telegram API with the token. Now you can configure your AI settings and add knowledge to train your bot. Finally, you can integrate the bot into your chosen AI platform and it will be ready to use via a provided link. So this way you can create Telegram AI assistant bots. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.